We're going to look at a portion of the image indicated by the white rectangle. The arrows point to examples of faint objects that have been rendered in blue. As we zoom and pan across the image, note that a clear majority of the faintest objects, all of them galaxies, are rendered in blue. This is prima facie a stunning contradiction of the Big Bang's foundational premise. In the electric universe, space is not expanding. The universe is of unknown age and unknown extent, possibly infinite. Following the observations and insights of Halton Arp, one way new galaxies are formed is by ejection from active galactic nuclei, commencing life as very highly redshifted quasars that progress through quantized decreases in redshift, such that high redshift is an indication of the youthfulness of a galaxy. In the electric universe, we expect to see galaxies that get smaller and fainter, some bluer, some redder, to the limits of the telescope's observational power. That is exactly what Webb's first deep field shows. I predict that deeper Webb images will further confirm that fact. In particular, I predict that when very deep Webb images are obtained, with many days or weeks of observation, the detection of additional faint galaxies will simply show more of the same. And it only gets worse for the standard model theorists. According to Big Bang theory, the earliest galaxies are the least evolved galaxies. They have not had time to evolve and grow by accreting further gas and dust from the intergalactic medium, or through collisions, mergers, or the cannibalizing of smaller galaxies. Overall, and putting aside the so-called lensed objects for a moment, the reddest objects visible in the image should generally exhibit the least amount of smoothness and symmetric structure. Once again, that is not what we see in this image. Instead, overall, we repeatedly see smoothness and symmetric structure in the reddest objects, including especially the curved, so-called lensed galaxies. The arrows in the image on the screen point to a selection of the reddest objects in this portion of the image that bear out that contention. This fact is evident across the whole image.